Jade. This is Gigi from Succulents Box. Today we're going to be talking about some pet-friendly and non-pet-friendly toxic plants for pets. And so first we're going to go over our pet-friendly section.
So first on our list are sempervivums. Here we have a red lion and a calcarean. And the first thing you'll notice is how they're rosette shaped and they have pointed leaves and they have a whole bunch of leaves, so it's like a cluster. And they're super cold hardy and they would be perfect in your indoor or outdoor gardens. Next on our list is the Echeveria group, and pretty much all of these succulents are pet friendly and they come in a variety of colors and shapes and sizes. And this one is the Violet Queen, and this is Bittersweet. Both beautiful, both safe for your pets, and they make perfect houseplants. Our third pet safe plant is the HAWORTHIA zebra, which is this. It has stripes like a zebra. It doesn't move like a zebra, but it makes a perfect houseplant. It's super low maintenance and it can thrive well in low light, so it's a perfect beginner plant. Next up we have the burrowtail, which is from the genus Sedum, or donkeytail. It's a pretty common plant. It's easy to take care of, and it has these cute little plump leaves that carry water, and if you give them a lot of sunlight, they can grow super long, like up to 2 feet. So these next specimens are cactus from the Aponthias family, or prickly pear cactus. This is the golden variety, and this one's just white. But they're both pet friendly and human friendly. They have these little pads with tiny little spikes on them. They're kind of like fiberglass, so be careful.
Alright, so now that you learned some safe varieties for your pets, let's learn about some different varieties of plants that could be harmful to your pets if ingested. And so the first plant on that list is the jade plant. It's a really common house plant. It has these round leaves on it, as you can see. So it can be really appealing to growers, but just to let you know, if ingested by your pets, this can cause vomiting and lethargy. Okay, so next on our list is part of the KALANCHOE genus. So this one here is a paddle plant, and this one is the lavender scallops. They're both really beautiful, but should be kept out of reach for your pets, because if ingested, this might lead to oral irritation, vomiting, or diarrhea in your animals. Okay, so next on our list is part of our aloe plants, and so if you look, most aloe plants have these pointy, fresh-looking leaves. Even though aloe is commonly widely used in skincare products and stuff like that, it's important to keep it out of reach for your pets. Okay, so in our final toxic plant for animals is among the Varieties group. This is an African milk cactus, and it's favored by many collectors because of its hardiness. However, these are generally toxic to both humans and pets, so they should be handled with care. Alright, and so that concludes our list of toxic and non-toxic plants for your pets. And of course, we didn't cover everything here today, but it's a really good beginner guide, if you want to start your pet-friendly garden. If you are looking for more pet-friendly plants, you can visit our website at succulentsbox.com, and we sell pet-friendly packs of succulents for you. And again, if your pet does happen to nibble on any of those toxic plants, please reach out to a veterinarian for help immediately.
And of course, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. And we'll see you soon. Thanks.